Hello everyone, my name is Minisethi. I hope you all are staying healthy. Today we are going to talk about what is communication process and what are elements of communication process. So what is communication process? As we know, communication is act of exchanging information, ideas or feeling. Communication is act of exchanging information, ideas or feeling. And when we decide to share information, ideas or feeling, obviously we take some action, and these action basically called our communication process, or we can say that these action basically start our communication process, or we can say that communication process basically describe how message travel between sender and receiver. And main goal of this process, sender and receiver should clearly convey and understand messages. Now we are going to talk about elements of communication process. Communication process basically has 7 major elements: sender, message, encoding, channel, or we can say that medium, receiver, decoding or feedback. One by one we discuss about each. First element of communication process is sender. Sender is a person who send a message. Sender basically start conversation, or we can say that sender have some ideas or information which he want to share. For example, Mr. X have some new project ideas, and these ideas he want to share with his manager. That's why he start conversation with his manager. So here Mr. X is our sender. Second element of communication process is message. Message means what kind of information, ideas, opinions or facts sender want to share. Message means what kind of information, ideas, fact or opinions sender want to share. Or we can say that message is subject matter of communication. For example, Mr. X want to share ideas related to client, and his idea is how to make good relation with client, and how to make good relation with client is called our message. Next element is encoding. Encoding means convert your ideas, information or opinions into words, picture or any gesture. Encoding means convert your ideas, information or opinions into words, picture or any gesture. Means now we are presenting our information through our words, picture or any gesture. We will continue with our previous example. Mr. X have some new project idea and he want to share this idea with his manager. And his idea, or we can say that his message is how to make good relation with the client. Now he is converting his message into words, and his words are, by making good relation with client we can earn more profit. He can also use one picture for expressing his idea. Picture is, we can make good client relationship by giving them support, by giving them after sale service, quality or reduced price. Here main thing is that Mr. X is using his words or picture for expressing his idea, and this is called our encoding. Encoding is convert your ideas, information or opinion into words, picture or any gesture. Next element is medium. Medium is a way through which we communicate our encoded message. Medium is a way through which we communicate our encoded message. Means how we are communicating our message, by using phone or writing a letter or doing face-to-face talk. For example, Mr. X can convey his project ideas to his manager through phone or writing an email, or they can do face-to-face talk. So here phone, email or face-to-face talk is called our medium. Next element is receiver. Receiver means a person who receive message. Receiver means a person who receive message. For example, Mr. X send message to his manager will receive message, that's why manager will call receiver. Next element is decoding. Decoding means understanding and explaining meaning of message by receiver. Decoding means understanding and explaining meaning of message by receiver. Is your receiver able to understand your message? Or we can say that, is your receiver is understanding message exactly at same way as you intend to send. For example, Mr. X sent a message to his manager, and Mr. X use so many technical and complex words, and his manager don't know meaning of technical and complex word. Is he able to understand Mr. X message? Obviously not. That's why always send message according to understanding level of your receiver. Last element is feedback. Feedback is reply, or we can say response of receiver after understanding meaning of sender message. Feedback is reply, or we can say response of receiver after understanding meaning of sender message. For example, Mr. X sent a message to his manager, means he gave so many project ideas to his manager, and after understanding the meaning of Mr. X message, now his manager is giving reply, your ideas are very good, we will work on it. This reply of manager is called feedback. So this is all about meaning and elements of communication process. I think you got it, and thank you so much for watching this video. Bye, take care.